Good everyone, my name is Graphics. In this video, we want to reproduce this figure you're seeing on the screen in orthographic projection. Now, we have already reproduced this figure on the screen in isometric in order to have a clearer view and understanding. Now, we'll be focusing on this particular view here, right? Now, we're told to draw this in orthographic projection, right? Looking at the arrow at this what? At this arrow here. We're looking at this arrow, right? We're looking it from this side. And when you look at this side, they're telling you to look what you see from this dimension here. So when you're told to draw in orthographic projection, the first thing that you should do is to draw your vertical this way. You can see that. And you draw your horizontal this way, right? You can see that. Now, what you do, you will now measure um 5 millimeter to the right and 5 millimeter to the left, right? That means you take your meter rule and you place it, take your compass and you place it and measure. This is 5 millimeter, or you can use 10 if you want to, but I want to use 5. So placing this way, 5, I'll come to this point where they meet, I'll measure 5 to the left, 5 to the right, and we have 5 upward, then 5 downward. This is what I'm going to do. So once I've done that, I'll draw a vertical line to pass through those points in this fashion. So I'll place this and I'll draw this. I'll place this and I'll draw this. And I'll take this and I'll draw this. Just faint line. Take this and I'll draw this. You can see that? So this is the first thing you will do when you hear the word to draw in what? In orthographic projection. All together. Now let's look at something. We are told to draw the front elevation looking from this direction here, right? Now if you look at this direction here, and this is the figure you're considering, this is the figure in isometric. If you look at it, the question is, what are you going to see? Now, drawing the front elevation, you should, if you're drawing the first angle projection, you start drawing from this quadrant, right? I'll call it the second quadrant. So if I should do that, the entire length from here to here is given to be what? 104. So what I'll do is I'm going to measure 104 from this. This is where I will take my measurement from 0, right? This is 100 and this is 104 here, right? And the total height from here to here, which is what? 48. Now measure the total height of what? Of 48. From 0 to what? To 48. This is 40, 45, 48 here. All together, and I'll close it up this way. And I'll close it up this way. So this is the plane. Inside this plane that we want to draw what we're going to see. Now, if you look from here, right, you see this end point here, which is this end point here. You can see that? Now, you see from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, you'll be looking as if they are all on a straight line. You considering them that they are all on a straight line since you're looking it perpendicularly from this point. That is why you see from this point here, you see is this point. This point here, you see is this point. This point here, you see is this point. Why I'm not considering this one? Because this point and this point are on the same line. So this one will be blocking this. That's why I'm having only just one point, right? This point and this point are on the same line. So this will be blocking this. That is why I'm having this point here. Then this point and this point are on the same line. So this will be blocking this. So I'm having only one point here. Is that okay? So this shape you're seeing, this L shape here, right? Is this L shape you're seeing here. Let me call it A. And this is A here. Then this rectangular shape you're seeing here. Now this point to this point, right? And this point to this point, together with this point, they are all will be on a straight line. You look as if they are all on a straight line. You're looking it perpendicularly. So that's why I'm putting them on a straight line. This line you're seeing here, from here to here, is blocking from here to here and from here to here. That's why we're having just one straight line here. You can see that. So I'm having this shape here, from here to this point. So this point is this point, right? So now from here to here, right, and from here to here, this rectangular figure you're seeing here, let me call it rectangular figure B, and this will be my B here. So if you're looking it from this side, you're going to see this shape. You will not see the top. You cannot see this point here or this point where 24 is. What you'll be seeing just A, right? Like now, if I'm asking you a question now, if you're looking at this rule from this side, what shape are you seeing? You'll be seeing a triangular shape, looking at it from where you're looking at it from perpendicularly. You'll be seeing this semicircle here, looking at it from the top. Is that taken? But when I place it this way, watch. When I place it this way, this ruler you see, you're seeing this top here. You can see that. You cannot see this down here because this top here is blocking this down here. So they are all on what? On a straight line. That is how you will be viewing it. Are we together? That is how what? You will be what? Viewing it. Is that taking? You'll be seeing it that way. So let's proceed. So, and the next thing I'll see here, I'll see this rectangular shape here. Let me call it my C. So this is C here. So I'll be seeing everything here, which is A. I'll be seeing everything here, which is B. I'll be seeing everything here, which is what? C. Right? Then I'll be seeing this shape you're seeing here. That is this shape here, which is what we're seeing here. So remember, everything will be in this rectangle. So this is what I am going to draw here. So you look at from here to here is 104, which is from here to here. That is 104. So and we have it from here to here, right? So I'm going to what? I'm going to take in that point. I'll take in that point. You can see that. Now the next thing is from here to here, which is from here to here, and I'll also what? I'll take in it. Similarly, from here to here, which I already explained, which is from here to this point here, because this and this, this and this, and this and this will appear as if they're on a straight line, right? That's why we're having a straight line. So I'm going to draw the straight line here. I'll take in it, right? Then the next thing is all these points here, all this line here, from here to here, and from here to here will apply as if they're on a straight line, right? That's why I'm drawing this straight line here. And this straight line here, from here to here, and from here to here, they're on a straight line that will be blocking everything you have here. So that I'm only just having just one line because the front line is blocking the back line, right? So I'll just draw it this way. I'll take in it. Still the same thing just like I explained. You can see that. Now, from here to here is from here to here, and that is 24. So from here, I'll measure 24. So if I do that, measuring 24, this is what I am going to be having. This is what I am going to be having from 0. This is 20, 24, right? And I'm going to draw a vertical line down. I'll draw a vertical line down, right? Now once I've done that, the next thing is from here to here, from here to here is from here to here, and the thickness is what is 16. Since we have from here to here, which is from here to here is 48. Once you remove 16 and 16, that is 32. 32 minus 48 means from here to here is what 16. So meaning from here to here is what we're having 16 at this point, here to here. Here to here also what 16. Here to here also what 16. They're all appearing on a straight line. That's how you be viewing them. That's why this point to this point is 16, and this point to this point is 16, and this point to this point is 16. You put them on a straight line since you're looking them in a right angle, right? So I measure 16 upward. So when I measure 16 upward here, from this point, from 0 towards this is 16 here. You can see that. Then I will now draw my thick line here. From this point, I'll draw this, right? And I'm going to connect this to it from here to here. You can see that. So that is this L shape you see in here. From this point to this point, this point to this point, this to this, versus this to this. Now the next one is again after you measure from here to here 16, from here to here 16, this point and this point is on the same line. So that means from here to here is 16, which is from here to here. So I'm going to measure 16 again. You look as if they are all on a straight line. So from 0 to 16 is here, right? And I'm going to close it up. So this is what we're going to be having here. Hope you can see that. So this is what we're having here. We have successfully reproduced this figure you see in here. So it's very important for you to bring out your dimension. We know that from here to here is 16, from here to here is 16, and from here to here is 16. The entire height here is what? 48. So you do your dimension. Is that okay now? From here to here is 104, right? And from here to here is what? 24. So let's proceed. So since we have successfully drawn out the plan, the front elevation, looking at the arrow, we are looking at this arrow here. This is what you are going to see. We'll call that point our front elevation. Now the next thing after the front elevation, that is if you are drawing in first angle projection, your front elevation is here. The next thing will be what? The plan. So if we are to draw the plan, what you do is you're going to project this axis out. You project this axis, you project them down, that is this end. You project it down. This end is already there. Now we know that from here to here, which is from here to here, and the same thing as saying from here to here is 104, right? Meaning that the plan from this is a plan looking at it from the top. When you're looking at it from the top, means that from here to here and from here to here they are both 104. Meaning that the plan from here to here is what? 104. So the length of the plan is the same as the length of the load elevation. So since from this point to this point is thickened, I am going to just thicken this way, or better still, I just draw out my plane. From here to here is 104. Now the next thing is, since if from here to here is 104, automatically the next point to be focused on, since the rectangle and we have two opposite sides is equal, if from here to here is 104, meaning that from here to here is what? 104, right? So the other side that we don't have is from here to here, and that is what? 72. So meaning I will also show the height of the plan here is what? 72, which is the width. So I'm going to measure 72. So from 0 here, this is 72 here. You can see that. Then I'm going to close it up. So in closing it up, I'll have this way. You can see that. So this is the rectangle which we want to draw in our shape. So what you need to understand is from here to here is from here to here, right? And from here to here is from here to here. And they are all ticking in the four sides. So I'm going to draw it. I'll tick in all those four sides here this way. I'll tick in this four side this way. I'll tick in this four side here in this way. Taking this four side here this way. Can you see that? Now if you're wondering what am I doing here, now looking from the top, what are you going to see? This you'll be seeing, let me call all this side here you're seeing, let's call it D. You're going to be seeing what? You're going to be seeing D, right? And you'll be seeing all these corners here to here, I'll call it what? E. You'll be seeing all these points here, I'll be calling it what? F, right? So what will happen is from here to here and from here to here with from here to here, we see them as if they're on a straight line. Since you're looking at it from the plan perpendicularly, all I'm using from here to here is what is 16. They're on a straight line. So what is the thickness? If from here to here is 24, that is F. From here to here is what? 24. The next one also is what? 24. Automatically the third one, which is D, is also what? 24. All together. And here also, here to here, which is from here to here, is also what? 24. You'll be seeing them as if they're on a straight line, right? This one now, from here to here, and from here to here, and from here to here, you see them as if they're on a straight line. So if I want to do that now, I'll just measure 24. That is from here to here is what? 24. And this end here is this point here. So I'm going to measure 24. So from 0, this is 20, 24. I'll do another 24. From 0, this is 20, 24. And the third one is what? Is 24. So what I will do is, I'll just draw another one again. From 0 here, from here to here. From this point to this point is from this point to this point, which is from this point somewhere around here. So I'll measure 24 from here. So from 0 to what? 24. This is 24. Right? So I'll just draw my vertical line upward. I'm going to do what? I'll draw my vertical line upward. If I should do that, I'll have this. From here, paint line, then I'll just cover the 24 I measured. From here to here, 24. Then from here to here, another what? 24. Remember that this thickness from here to here is same as from here to here. So what we'll just do is, at this point, I'll just take in here and I'll stop here. You can see that? And that is all. So this is what we have here. The L shape you're seeing here is this L shape here. You'll be seeing this long line you're seeing from here to here is blocking this to this and this to this. You're only seeing the top. This is the top, top, and the top. Alright? You cannot see A, you cannot see B, you cannot see C, just like you're having a staircase. If I place my hand this way, right? You can see my hand, then put it this way. I place my hand this way. You can only see this part of my hand, and you can see this part of my hand, right? But you don't know what is in between. You don't know what is at this side here. You can only see it this way. That's what's really happening. So looking in from the top, you can only see E, G, and F. You cannot see B and C, then A. All together. So this is the front elevation, and this is what the plan. Are we good now? Front elevation plan. because it's in first angle projection. That is why the front elevation is here and the plan is here. Assuming it is in third angle, this front elevation will come down here and this plan will go up here. Are we together now? Now we'll move forward. So from here, the next thing we're about to draw is what? Is the end view. The end view is looking it from this what? From this side. Right? Since this is the front elevation, automatically this will be the end view. If this is the front elevation, automatically this will be the end view. The plan doesn't change, the plan remains constant. In whatever direction you're looking at the figure, the plan remains constant, meaning the top view. So I want to draw this I want to draw the end view, right? That is this figure. The first thing I will have to do here is to place my 45-degree set square and locate the center of this figure here. So I'll just draw it out this way. Can you see that? Then I'm going to project each of all these ends, right? Project this end to this point. I'll project this end, this part to this point. I'll project this end, this part to this point. So the highest point here, I'll just draw it out. This highest point, I'll draw it out this way. So once I have done that, I will now project those points upward where they meet. So if I place my meter rule this way, where they meet here, I will take it up. Faint line, where they meet here, I'll take it up. Faint line, where they meet here, I'll take it up. Faint line, right? So the next thing I'll do is the entire length from here to here. You can see when you're looking at it from this part here, you're seeing the entire length L shape here. The length of the front, the end view, have the same length as what? As the plan. Let's call it the width. From here to here is what? 24 plus 24 plus 24. That is 48. Essentially saying from here to here. So meaning that from here to here, which is from here to here, is the same thing as saying from here to here, which is from here to here. Because if you look at it, if you trace it, these two thicknesses here. So I'm going to take in that aspect there. I'll take in there from here. I'll take in it this way, right? And the height from here to here, which is still the 48 we have there, right? I'll come here. I'll take it up. There is 72 here. So I'll measure 48 here. How good? We know this side here is 72. So this summate here is 72. Remember that. Now from here to here, which is from here to here, and that is 24. So you don't have to stress yourself. From here to here, you can see that it's given to be what? 16. I'll just project it here. Look at what I'll just do. Connect these 2 points, everything here to here, right? Which is from here straight down. When you're looking at it from this side, you see this point to this point, this point to this point, this point to this point, right? You'll be seeing them as if what we'll be doing, this is them here. From here to here is from here to here, from here to here is from here to here, right? Then this straight line here, it is at this end, but you will see it as if it's at this point here, just like what I showed you here. So these 2 points, you'll be seeing it as if it's at the beginning of the line. That I'm placing it here all together. So what I'll just do is I'll project this point here. I'll project this way. So what I'm actually looking for here is this, taken from here to here. Then the next point, I'll project it also from here to here. What I was taking is this point to this point, right? Then I'll just wrap it up. I'll just close it up. I'll close it up. And I'll just draw from here, straight and up. So this is what we have, right? If you see in this figure where you're looking at from here, that means from here straight down here, that means you'll be seeing here and here, right? And here as if they're on a straight line. As I'm putting them on a straight line. Then you'll be seeing here to here, which is here to here. Altogether, you'll be seeing here to here, which is here to here. You'll be seeing from here to here and from here to here will be as if they're on the same level. That's why I'm putting from here to here, which is from here to here, and from here to here, which is from here to here. They'll be on a straight line. Since you're viewing it in an orthographic projection, altogether now, you're viewing them on a plane. So whatever you're doing must not go out of the plane. So this is what we have here. So remember, this is in first angle projection. If it's in third angle, these two views will come down here, while this will go up here. So if you have to draw your 45-degree here, to be at this direction here, all together. So this is what we have here. So if you want to construct the isometric projection of this view, you can just click on this link at the top right corner of the screen here in order to construct this figure in what? In isometric. So the front elevation, the plan, and what? And the end view. So this is how you can transform orthographic isometric projection into orthographic view. You don't have to do all this. Why I'm drawing all this is to give you an insight of what you'll be expecting, right? To give you an insight of what you'll be seeing when you're looking at different dimension. Why is it 3-dimension? Because isometric is a 3-dimensional view, which you can see the front elevation, the front elevation, the plan, and the end view. So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.